Look at your cat right now. I want you to stop everything you are doing and just look at them. Because in this video, I am going to show you a 3-second technique that will completely change your relationship with your cat forever. And I am not exaggerating. Scientists proved it. Cat behaviorists use it every single day. And after today, you will never look at your cat the same way again. This is not about treats. It is not about toys. It is not about buying something or spending more money. It is a silent biological signal, the exact same one cats use to communicate deep trust with each other. When you do this correctly, your cat will respond within seconds. Their whole body will relax. They may come toward you. They may blink back at you slowly. And in that moment, you two will have communicated something real. Something that goes beyond words, beyond species, beyond everything. Stay with me to the end, because I am also going to tell you the 3 mistakes that most people make that completely destroy this signal, even when they think they are doing it right. You do not want to miss those. Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like your cat does not fully trust you? Like, you love them completely, you take care of them every single day, you give them food and warmth and safety, and yet sometimes they run away when you approach. They flinch when you reach out. They seem distant, cold, like something is always slightly off between you two. If that is you, first of all, you are not alone. This is one of the most common things cat owners tell me about. And second, it is not your fault. And it is completely fixable. Here is the truth that most people never learn. Cats do not experience the world the way humans do. They do not understand hugs the way we give them. They do not understand the loud voice you use when you are excited to see them. They do not understand you picking them up and squeezing them because you love them so much. To a cat, many of the things we do out of pure love actually feel threatening. Not because you are doing anything wrong as a person, but because you are speaking the wrong language. Imagine moving to a foreign country where every friendly gesture you make is accidentally rude. You smile, they think you are aggressive. You wave, they think you are threatening them. You are trying so hard, and nothing is landing. That is exactly what most cat owners experience without ever knowing it. The good news? There is a universal cat language, and one signal in particular is so powerful, so deeply wired into every cat on the planet, that it works on cats you have never even met before. It is called the slow blink, and once you understand it, everything changes. In 2020, scientists at the University of Sussex in England conducted a study that changed how we understand cat communication forever. They wanted to know, does the slow blink actually mean something to cats? Or is it just something cat owners romanticize? So they designed a controlled experiment. They had humans perform the slow blink at cats. Cats they knew, and cats they had never met before. Complete strangers. The results were extraordinary. Cats who received the slow blink from a human were significantly more likely to slow blink back. They were more likely to approach the human. They showed lower stress signals, relaxed ears, loose body posture, soft tail position. Even the stranger cats who would normally avoid an unfamiliar human entirely, began moving toward people who used the slow blink. The study concluded that the slow blink is a genuine cross-species communication signal. It is not imaginary. It is not wishful thinking. It is a biological, measurable, reproducible response. Cats are literally wired to respond to it. Now here is what makes this even more fascinating. When cats slow blink at each other in the wild, it is one of the rarest signals they exchange. Because to close your eyes in front of another creature, even for 1 second, means you feel completely safe. You are saying, I am not a threat to you. I am not watching for danger. I trust you with my vulnerability. That is what you are saying to your cat when you do this correctly. And that is why it works so deeply and so fast. Let me walk you through the exact technique step by step. There are 5 steps and they all matter. Do not skip any of them. Step 1. Get to your cat's level. Sit on the floor. Crouch down. Do not stand over them. To a cat, height equals dominance and potential threat. When you lower yourself to their level, you are already sending the first signal before you even blink. You are saying, I am not here to dominate you. I am here to connect with you. Step 2. Make soft eye contact. Not hard staring. Not intense focused eye contact the way you look at a screen. Soft, gentle, the way you look at something you love. Imagine looking at your cat the way you would look at a sleeping baby. That softness, cats can feel it. Step 3. Relax your entire face. Unclench your jaw. Soften your forehead. Let your shoulders drop. Cats read human tension with incredible precision. They have been living alongside humans for 10,000 years and they have become experts at reading our bodies. If you are stressed, rushed, or tense, they will feel it before you even blink. Your whole body needs to say, I am calm, I am safe, I am present. Step 4. The blink itself. Slowly, Very slowly, close your eyes halfway. Hold them there for 1 full second, then slowly open them back up. The entire movement should take about 3 seconds. It should look and feel almost like the beginning of falling asleep. Slow, deliberate, dreamy. This is not a regular blink. A regular blink is too fast. It needs to be intentional. Your cat needs to see it clearly. Step 5. Wait in stillness. Do not move. Do not speak. Do not lean forward. Hold that soft, gentle gaze and simply wait. Give your cat time to process the signal. Give them space to respond. Some cats respond in 3 seconds. Some take 30 seconds. Some rescue cats or less bonded cats may take several sessions over a few days. Every cat is different. But the signal always lands. You just need to be patient enough to let it. Now I promise you the 3 mistakes. And these are important, because most people who try the slow blink and say it did not work for them were making one of these 3 errors without realizing it. Mistake number 1. Blinking too fast. This is by far the most common mistake. People blink and think they did the slow blink, but they actually just blinked normally. A normal blink is under half a second. The slow blink needs to be at least 2 to 3 seconds. If someone watching you from across the room cannot clearly see that you are doing something intentional with your eyes, it is too fast. Slow it down until it feels almost exaggerated. Mistake number 2. Leaning forward while blinking. This one cancels out the entire signal. Leaning toward a cat while making eye contact is a predator behavior. Even if your intention is pure love, your cat's nervous system reads it as a threat. When you do the slow blink, either stay completely still or lean very slightly backward. Open body, relaxed posture, no forward movement. Let your cat feel that you are retreating, not advancing. Mistake number 3. Doing it at the wrong moment. The slow blink is a deepening signal. It deepens a connection that already exists in a neutral or positive moment. It is not a rescue signal. If your cat is already stressed, tail puffed, ears flat, body tense, hiding under furniture, that is not the time. You cannot slow blink a panicking cat into calmness. Wait for a quiet, neutral moment. Your cat sitting on the couch. Your cat watching you from across the room. Your cat simply being near you without tension. That is the window. That is when the slow blink works like magic. I want you to think about something for a moment. Your cat has been living with you, maybe for years. Every single day, they watch you. They listen to you. They sleep near you, eat near you, exist in your world. And the whole time, they have been sending you signals. Little quiet messages that most humans never learn to read. The slow blink back they give you when you are stressed on the couch. The way they sit with their back to you, which is actually a sign of complete trust, not indifference. The slow walk toward you with their tail raised high like a flag. That is a cat greeting reserved only for the ones they love. They have been talking to you this whole time. You just did not have the language. And now you do. The slow blink is the beginning of a conversation. Once you start using it, and once your cat starts responding, something shifts. You begin to notice their other signals too. The ear positions. The tail language. The chirping versus the trill versus the slow meow. Every single sound and movement starts to mean something different. And your cat begins to see you differently too. Not just as the person who fills the bowl, but as someone who actually speaks their language. Someone they can communicate with. That relationship, between a human and a cat who truly understand each other, is one of the most quietly beautiful things in the world. And you can start building it tonight. Right now. With one slow, 3-second blink. Go try it. Your cat is waiting. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Go try the slow blink right now, or tonight when your cat is calm, and come back to this video and tell me in the comments what happened. Did they blink back? Did they come towards you? Did they just stare at you like you had lost your mind? I read every single comment. Every one. And nothing makes me happier than those messages that say, I tried it, and my cat actually did it back. Because every time that happens, a cat and their human just had their first real conversation. And that matters to me deeply. If this video helped you understand your cat better, please hit the subscribe button right now. I post every Tuesday and Friday, and every single video I make is built around one mission, helping you and your cat understand each other better. Because your cat chose you. They live in your world. The least we can do is learn a little bit of theirs. And if you want to go even deeper, I have a video right here that covers the other 6 body language signals your cat is sending you every single day. The tail positions, the ear angles, the different types of meows and what each one actually means. It will completely change the way you see your cat. Watch it next. I promise you will not regret it. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you in the next one.